If you're someone who prefers or just needs more support than just the shelf bra that's included with the Clearwater, I'm going to show you how I use these foam bra cups to add them to my Clearwater tankini. You can see here. I'm going to show you the finished result of this one. So the Clearwater comes with just a standard shelf bra that gives you a light to very medium support, depending on what fabrics you choose. This is just a regular swimwear knit. This is not any support at all, basically. But if you were to use something like a compression knit that's real firm, stable, and has good recovery, then that would give you more support. But if you want even more than that, I'm going to show you how to sew in some bra cups. So these cups are from Wowak. These are real firm, stable cups. They were super cheap. I think they were like $3 for a pair, so a nice buy. But you could also just repurpose. If you have any removable cups from a ready-to-wear bra or swimsuit, you can just pull them out and use them, because we all take them out if they're not sewn in, right? I mean, I don't know how many I've taken out and thrown away. So here I have the shelf bra exposed here. Here's the front. So obviously make sure you're working on the front. And I have marked the center front on the bra part because I want to know where my center is so I can line things up. Now I'm going to take my cup, so it's down, like it's cupped down, like the, I don't know what you want to call that. The inside is facing down, and I'm going to position it so it's about a 1/4 inch off the center front and about a 1/4 inch from the bottom elastic. And this does need to be done before or after everything is sewn up, because of how the arm's eyes are encased. You would be able to pull this through the straps. So once I'm happy with this position, I'm going to pin it in place. All right, so now that I've got one cup pinned on, I'm gonna pin on the other and like mirror exactly what I did over here as far as positioning. So I just want these to be, you know, you don't want a lopsided look. All right, I have my cups pinned on, and now this is very straightforward for the rest of the way. I'm just going to use my sewing machine, and I'm going to zigzag stitch all the way around. I'm just going through the cup and the shelf bra. All right, the cups are sewn in. I'm pretty happy with that placement. Now, if you turn it to the inside, you'll notice that this is going to be a problem. Like, you need to be able to fill those up with the breast tissue. So what we're going to do is we are just going to cut that away. All right, there we go. We have got our bra with a little extra support.